Hello engineering aspirants, your J did not go as per your expectations? Well, your dream of joining the top engineering colleges can still be achieved. KCET is not just an exam, it is your getaway for your engineering and medical dreams in Karnataka. And every rank is built on preparation, precision and right guidance. In KCET 2025, Deeksha Vedantu student delivered exceptional results. And here is another powerful fact. Out of 2,541 Deeksha KCET students, 1,538 students secured seats in top engineering colleges of Karnataka, which means every 2 out of 3 students got a seat in top colleges, RVC, MIT, BMS, MSRIT or PES in their very first attempt. That is almost 20 times higher than the national average. These are not just the numbers, these are the proof, because behind every rank there is structured teaching, focused revision and relentless practice. That is why we designed and are bringing back for you Lakshya KCET Crash Course 2026. More than 260 learning hours, 105 tests including daily tests, weekly tests and full-length KCET mock tests, along with 27 additional teacher-monitored study hours exclusively for residential students. So you don't fear the exam, you master them. And if you enroll now, you also get access to our most demanded, most structured Abhyas Online Test Series worth 3,000 rupees for absolutely free. And here is something which will make your KCET preparation even more rewarding. When you enroll for Lakshya KCET Crash Course or Abhyas Test Series, you also get a huge opportunity to win the rewards up to 1 lakh rupees based on your KCET rank. All eligibility terms and conditions are clearly mentioned and will be followed strictly. So, when you prepare with Lakshya, you don't just aim for rank, you also earn a reward that you truly deserve. KCET is coming, Lakshya is ready. Are you? Check the link below to register, and the early registrations can get up to 50% discounts.